I want to talk about the difference between a supplement and what natural peptides are. I think there's a little misunderstanding that the natural peptides is just another supplement that's being handed out. You know, another nutrition drink, another feel-good type of a pill or powder to add to your regimen of already using supplements. That is not the case. The natural peptides are more than a supplement, but we're not to pharmaceuticals. So it's kind of this in-between land area. So let's talk about supplements. First of all, we're talking about supplements. We're talking about powders, nutrition supplements, things that are designed to complement your diet, complement your exercise routine, and they're designed to provide essential nutrients that you might be lacking in your diet already. So these can be things like pills, powders, liquids, multivitamins, omega-3 fish oil, protein powders. The whole idea is to provide and deliver macronutrients or micronutrients to support your body functions. Okay? So what are natural peptides that I've been talking about and that we're selling and we're trying to get out to the world because of how effective and amazing they are? Natural peptides, what they are is they're more specific. It's a short chain amino acid. What they do is they signal your cells. They tell your cells what to do. So this is not a micronutrient that comes in and helps support your body. What this does is it goes into your body and it talks with the cells and it says, hey cell, the body needs more energy. And so it talks to the cells that provide energy, that produce ATP through NAD and all these kind of processes, and it produces more energy. Okay, this is a really important distinction. This is working with your body's natural processes to produce a specific function within the body. Okay, same thing with the muscle building. It goes in, it says, hey, we need to use more protein to build more muscle, and it works with your cells to tell your body what to do, what it needs more of. Now, your body is already doing these natural processes. The peptides can go in and just amplify them. The benefit to the natural over the synthetic is the synthetic is, of course, man-made, and it goes in and the way that they have the dosage and things like that is it has this huge spike in communication. So the cells go gung-ho and produce tons and tons and tons of whatever it's telling it to do. And so you tend to get side effects. It puts the body in kind of a hyper state. And so you get these side effects. And so it's the natural way is more effective because it doesn't give you that hyper state, which means it's a little bit slower process, which is actually healthier for the body because it's more natural for the body. But it helps elevate these processes. And unlike the synthetic, which takes a while to get broken down, your body sees a natural peptide and knows what to do with it. It breaks it down naturally, quickly, and you don't have problems. So I wanted to make sure that this was clear, that this natural peptide is not a supplement. It's not a macronutrient. It's not just generally feeding the body good stuff. It is working directly with the cells to provide specific functions. And this is why I love it for aging, because as you age, your cells' abilities to produce more of what you need for muscle strength, for gains in energy are diminished. And so this is actually helping ignite those cells and help fight against that natural degeneration that we have with aging. It's a beautiful thing. Beautiful for energy, for strength, for brain health. Just an incredible thing that these peptides are doing. So hope that helps. Let me know if you have questions. Shoot me a quick message if you would like to learn more and have some peptides in your life. I love them. Hope you get a chance to use them soon.